Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a crucial task for vector design, how to accurately join nodes in Inkscape. Whether you're creating complex illustrations or technical diagrams, knowing how to clean up your paths by joining endpoints is a major time saver. By the end of this video, you will be a pro at bridging gaps between lines and merging separate shapes seamlessly. If this guide helps you improve your design workflow, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more professional design tutorials. Let us jump right in. First things first, we need to prepare our objects. Inkscape performs best when path operations are done on actual paths. If you've been working with basic shapes or text, go to the Path menu at the top and select Object to Path, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. This converts your shapes into editable vector paths. Next, efficiency is key, so make sure your snapping is enabled. You can toggle this by pressing the % key on your keyboard. Open your snapping menu and verify that your Snap to Nodes setting is active. Now, grab the Node tool by pressing N. To join two nodes that are sitting on top of each other, click and drag one path end node toward the other. Thanks to snapping, they will click into place perfectly. Once they are overlapping, draw a selection box around both of them with your mouse. Then look at the Tool Controls bar for the icon that looks like two nodes merging into one. Click Join Selected Nodes, and they will become a single, unified point. Now, what if the nodes are far apart? You don't have to move them manually. Select two end nodes while holding the Shift key. Then look for the icon in the bar that looks like a bridge or a line connecting two nodes. When you click Join Selected End Nodes with a new segment, Inkscape automatically draws a path segment between them. Keep in mind that if your nodes actually belong to two different objects, you must first select them both using the standard selection tool, which is S, and go to Path, then Combine, or use Ctrl+K. This merges them into a symbol path container, so the node editor can see them as one unit. If you are creating a closed shape, repeat this process for the final set of endpoints. Once you have joined those nodes, you can click on the resulting single node and switch its type between cusp or smooth in your tool menu to control the curvature of your joint. Remember to practice these shortcuts like N for nodes and Ctrl+K for combining paths to keep your workflow fast. We covered joining overlapping nodes, bridging gaps with segments, path combination, and controlling node smoothness. I hope this helps you finish those complex illustrations much faster. If you found this tutorial useful, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Inkscape tips and tricks. Happy designing, and I will see you in the next video.